Hi, so today I thought, since it's like pouring outside, that I would show you guys how I make my peppermint bark. I used to buy it at Williams-Sonoma, but it's gotten so insanely expensive over the years. So I learned how to make my own at home, and it's super easy. I have some of the stuff here. So here I have my 12 ounces of white chocolate. I have some chopped up dark chocolate, that's about a pound. I have my peppermint crunch, which is just like crushed up candy canes, my peppermint extract, and that I'll use half a teaspoon, my offset spatula, my regular spatula, my whisk. I have some water boiling here. We're going to use this for the white chocolate. So it's a 9 by 13 nonstick pan. I like to put aluminum foil, which I have to grease. I completely forgot. And yeah, so I'll see how I set you up and we'll begin. We have the oven at 250. We have the greased baking tray. Now we're gonna get the pound of dark chocolate and we're gonna dump it in the tray. I'm just gonna spread that evenly. And now we're gonna place it in the oven for 5 minutes. The timer just went off. It's been 5 minutes. We're gonna take out the chocolate and see how it's doing. So it's nice and melted. Let me zoom you guys in. Okay, so now you see it's kind of like glistening, sort of. You can tell it's melted. And we're just gonna use one of my gloves to hold the pan down, and we're just gonna smooth it out. Okay, so that looks smooth enough. Now we're gonna pop it in the freezer for 15 minutes and then we'll get started on the white chocolate. We have our 12 ounces of white chocolate. Just gonna dump that in there. And we're gonna wait until this starts to melt and then we'll continually stir. White chocolate can be a pain to melt, at least that's my experience. So hopefully this will work out great. Okay, so it's all melted. We're gonna put in the half a teaspoon. Get off the heat. We're gonna put in half a teaspoon of peppermint extract. We just want to stir that in. So you just want to make sure you stir it really quickly, because as you might have seen, it does start to harden up. So you don't want that because it'll be difficult to pour it onto the chocolate if it does. We want this creamy consistency right here. So I'm gonna bring out the chocolate and we're gonna pour this on. So here, as you can see, it's hardened in the freezer. Let me see. Yeah. So we're just gonna pour on this chocolate. And now we're just gonna spread everything. So as you can see, some of the dark chocolate has mixed in a little with the white chocolate because I'm impatient and the chocolate wasn't like completely frozen. So the white chocolate kind of melted the dark one a little bit, but I kind of like that marbled effect. So it's still gonna taste the same. So I'm just gonna pop on the crushed peppermints now. And I just put as much as I want. There's really no hard and fast rule. So I like to try and get peppermint everywhere. And I like to pat it in a little just so I make sure it grabs that crushed peppermint. And just a little more. And now we'll pop this in the freezer until it's completely hardened, and then we'll take it out and we'll see the final results. Hi, so it's been about an hour. You don't have to wait that long for it to be in the freezer. But I took a break and had some lunch. But here it is out of the freezer. It's really cold. The point of greasing the aluminum foil is so that it easily comes off. So I'm just gonna peel that off, and you just break it into whatever sizes you want. So we'll get that started now. So here it is, the final product. As you can see, the thick chocolate bits on the bottom, and then the top has that nice layer of white chocolate, and then the crust. Tasty, easy, and awesome to bring to people's houses. Good stuff. So remember to subscribe and hit that like button, and there's gonna be a lot more videos like this coming in the future. So until next time, bye.